In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check someone else's availability and calendar events using Google Calendar, a convenient tool for managing your schedule collaboratively. Let's dive in and learn how to seamlessly integrate this feature into your daily routine. To get started, open your Google Calendar. You can do this by navigating to calendar.google.com or by opening the Google Calendar app if you're on a mobile device. Once your calendar is open, look to the left side of your screen. Here, you'll find various options, including your own calendars and settings. You should see a section labeled Search for People. This is your gateway to viewing the schedules of your colleagues, friends, or family members who have shared their calendars with you. Click into the Search for People field. This action will bring up a search box where you can begin typing. Now here's the crucial part. Enter the email address of the person whose calendar you wish to view. It's important to use the correct email address associated with their Google Calendar to ensure you're accessing the right information. Now you might be wondering, what happens next? If the person whose email you've entered has granted you the necessary permission, you'll be able to see their availability and calendar events. This can be incredibly useful for scheduling meetings, coordinating plans, or simply keeping track of an important contact's schedule. However, it's also important to note that if they haven't shared their calendar with you, you won't be able to view their activity. This aspect helps maintain the privacy and security of each individual's schedule. Navigating collaborative scheduling can sometimes be a bit daunting, especially if you're new to using digital calendars. But using this feature allows you to streamline communication and ensure everyone is on the same page regarding time management. If you find that you're unable to view a calendar, consider reaching out to the person directly and politely requesting access. They might need to adjust their calendar settings to share their availability with you. Remember, this process is all about making your life easier and more organized, while also respecting the privacy settings that others have chosen for their calendars. Whether you're coordinating a team project or trying to plan a family get-together, having access to someone else's calendar with their permission can save you a lot of back-and-forth communication. And there you have it, a straightforward way to check the availability of someone else on Google Calendar. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you become more efficient in managing your time and scheduling with others. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy scheduling!